Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the quickest way to get the Chuck E. Cheese Night Shift 2 Roblox code. Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to quickly obtain the Chuck E. Cheese Night Shift 2 Roblox code, you're in the right place. This guide will walk you step by step through the entire process to help you unlock this code in no time. First, make sure you have an active Roblox account. If not, sign up and log in before you continue. Next, launch Roblox and enter the game Chuck E. Cheese Night Shift 2. Once inside, focus on key game elements such as quest clues or special items, as these often lead to the discovery of new codes. Commonly, the codes are hidden within the game environment or shared through official social media channels connected with the game developers. To find the code quickly, check the latest game updates and announcements on Roblox game pages or official Chuck E. Cheese community forums and pages. Sometimes, the game's events or special updates provide codes as rewards, so stay attentive during those periods. Use community sites and Roblox fan groups as well for shared codes, as players often reveal new or upcoming codes in these circles. Once you have the code, enter it in the designated Redeem Code section within the game menu to claim your rewards instantly. Remember to input the code exactly as it's given, paying attention to capitalization and spelling. Following these steps ensures you're armed with the quickest method to get the Chuck E. Cheese Night Shift 2 Roblox code and enjoy special bonuses and features in your gameplay. Keep exploring the game regularly because new codes might be released that can enhance your experience even further. Don't forget, the key is staying connected to all the official game sources and in-game hints to not miss out on exciting opportunities. Lastly, thank you for watching our comprehensive guide to securing your Chuck E. Cheese Night Shift 2 Roblox code. Remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful gaming tips and walkthroughs.